Either when going to a trip by airplane or using the electricity that is supplied by a power plant, you are benefiting from high temperature turbines. These turbines work at about 1000 degrees Celsius and efficiency of almost 64%. But as we increase the temperature, the efficiency goes higher. So to tell you why we can't go higher than the current temperatures, we need to dive deeper into these turbines. The components of these turbines are made of alloys of these three usual suspects: nickel, titanium, and cobalt. But when you look at their melting points, you see it's not that much high. So why not replace these materials with another class of alloys, like tungsten-based alloys? Tungsten has the highest melting point of elements, but some problems stop more usage of tungsten. One of them is that tungsten gets oxidized very rapidly at high temperatures. Also, at low temperatures, tungsten becomes super brittle and gets fractured very quickly. This is why I'm going to print tungsten with electron beam, which has no limit in increasing the temperature, and also the vacuum can stop oxidation of tungsten. This not only can be used in engines of power plants or airplanes, but also nuclear reactors and rockets.